Add candy to the panettone dough and you'll want to make it this way. In a bowl, add 3 eggs, 10 grams of yeast, 120 grams of melted butter, 120 grams of sugar, lemon and orange zest to taste, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix everything very well. I will now add 250 milliliters of warm water on top and stir again. And then we will gradually add 500 grams of wheat flour. Let's get back to stirring. Guys, this is the ideal point. Now we just need to cover it. I'm going to use plastic wrap, but a tea towel can be used if you prefer. After it's covered, let it rest for around 30 minutes. After that, we just need to uncover it and stir to remove all the air from the dough. And here I will use 200 grams of white chocolate drops. We're going to mix all of this together really well. Now we just divide our dough into 2 parts in these panettone molds. Each mold is 500 milliliters. And now on top, I'm going to use candy, guys. I'm using white candy, but you can use whatever you prefer. Now add all the dough on top, cover it and let it rest for another 30 minutes. After this time, it has doubled in size, and for decoration I will now add more candy, now cut in half. Once that's done, use scissors to make a cut in the middle. In each cut, add a bit of butter. We just put it in the oven at 130 degrees and leave it for 45 minutes or until golden. And look guys, how amazing our panettone looks. Now just cut and enjoy. This white chocolate panettone looks incredible. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from the kitchen. A big hug until next time and thank you.